So we've talked about, I think we've talked about this.
The belief of watering plants in midday will burn the leaves is a myth. While there are some water droplets on the leaves might act like tiny magnifying glasses, the effect of the is minimal and unlikely to cause any significant damage. Research scientists' evidence have suggested that midday watering does not lead to any type of scorching of the plant. I don't know where this came from. Somebody thought this was cute and decided to tell the world about it, but that doesn't hold true. Because here's the other thing. Let's put on our common sense hats, because all of you listeners, you guys are smart. So let's all gather together and follow me on this. It's sunny. Storm comes up. It rains. We get these thunderstorms. Midday, the storm blows out, clouds go away, sun comes out, plants are all wet. If this was true, all the plants would self-combust and burn up from all the heat from the sun magnifying through the water droplets, and we wouldn't have any vegetation. Rainforests wouldn't exist.
Now you got me thinking about the plants combusting in your backyard.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Talking about a forest fire problem.
Yeah.
Smokey Bear would not be happy.
No, not at all. We don't want to displease Smokey the Bear. So, yeah. So that's not true. It's, I don't know.
There are people in this industry doing what we do today that are saying that that does exist.
I know.
That are on radio and podcasts that swear that this can't water because it's going to.
Well, they also believe that Epsom salt is the cure-all for all the things. So.
Right.